Hello and welcome to Deliberately Creative. I'm Stephanie and today I'm using the Vinci Eye AR app. I'm using it on my iPhone. You can use it on Android phones also. Click the link down below in the more information box and you can get a free trial. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me using the app, and I do have an affiliate link. So just get that out of the way right now. I'm using a hand-drawn image that I made. It's about a 4-inch square, and I'm increasing the size to about a 9-inch square. I am just going to show you how to transfer from my iPhone with the app onto this bag, drawing it with a permanent marking pen. You can transfer any design, photographs, clip arts, anything you have access to that you want to transfer onto another surface. Let's start using this app to transfer the design onto the bag. First up, I want to find the center of this bag, so I folded it in quarters, but going diagonally, and I'm going to mark the very center. That helps me because I know that my image actually has a little cross in the center, so I can line it up. I'm taking a piece of Coroplast. This is corrugated plastic board. You can use anything just to stiffen up the surface a little bit, and it protects the other sides. I'm using a permanent marking pen and it could bleed all the way through, and I don't want it to. If you have already made an anchor, grab it. I already have. Now, something I want you to notice here, I have a little arrow pointing the right way up on my anchor. If you do an anchor and you can't tell which way is up, if you put it on upside down, it can cause you all kinds of struggles. You're moving your image on your phone and it will go up when you go pull down, and it will go left when you pull right. And just make sure you always know which way is up on your anchor. So now let's go into Draw on the screen here. We're going to click on Draw. We're going to go into our gallery or our camera roll. We're going to pick an image. I've got a hand-drawn image that I took a photo of. I'm clicking on AR mode because that's the mode I want to work in. Click on Focus Lock. It makes your life so much easier. Now, when the image comes in, it's locked right over the top of the anchor. You're not going to want it locked on the anchor on top of it because you want to be able to draw. So as you see, when the anchor moves, the image moves. I'm going to put the anchor to the side and now click on the Move button. Click the Move, and now I can move the image around. I can resize it to whatever size I want it to be. And I'm making sure to connect the dots, basically. I've got a little X in the middle of this flower, and I'm lining it up over the little dot on the surface of the bag. All right, I adjusted the opacity just a little bit and then went back to move. Now you can see it a little bit better here on the screen. I've got the center of the flower lined up with the center dot there on the bag. I'm using a Zebra PM 701 steel-bodied pen. You can leave this layout for 5 days without the cap on it, and it doesn't dry out. And the best part is, the ink doesn't stink. No matter how much you resize on the screen, make it as big as you want, it doesn't change the orientation or how big it's showing up on your bag now. It's locked. You're using your anchor. There's a little bit of a learning curve. With everything, there's a learning curve. So you are practicing connecting your eyes on the screen to what your hand is doing without looking at your hand in real life. You're looking at your hand through the screen. I'm not perfect when I'm doing this type of transfer. I want this to look like a hand-drawn image, not like a tracing. And to allow that to happen, I don't stick strictly to the original lines on the screen. I allow my hand to wander off the lines every once in a while. and that gives you that hand-drawn look. But you'll know if you look at this and you look at the original, they came from the same original drawing. I'm just going to keep working my way through here, and I am not going to be talking too much. I want to just get this tracing done, but I'm going to show you all of the lines that I draw. If you don't want to see it all being drawn, you can either use the chapter mark and move ahead, or just fast forward to about the 9.5-minute mark. As I'm finishing up the last few details here, I want to remind you there is a link down below in the more information box. It is an affiliate link. I do earn a small commission if you make a purchase, but you know, it helps out my channel and it helps out my studio. I thank you so much for being here. If you have any questions about this, check out the info on the app. They have so much information that really helps you out. This is what it looked like when I was all done with coloring and painting and all of that good stuff. If you want to see the finishing up of this particular image, click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified when I release that new video. Thank you so much. Remember, go out, do something creative, take care of yourself so you can take care of those around you. I want to see you back here again really soon. Bye-bye.